Good morning, children. I am your teacher Simoran D'Souza of LKG. Today, from General Awareness, we are going to learn about the different rooms in our house. We are going to learn about the different rooms in our home, okay? Children, so what all you see in this picture? The living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. What are the different rooms we have in our house? Living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. So what all you see in your living room, children? We see the TV, we see a nice sofa, a center table with the remotes on it. Next to the TV we can see the clock and a bookshelf with full books. On top of it we have the soft toys. It is very spacious and a very comfortable room. No, children? Can you see? Can you all go to your living room and see how comfortable it is? It's very spacious, no? You will have lot of windows even. Yeah, we'll have lot of windows even. We have a lot of light, fan. We sit down comfortably on our sofas, isn't it? So what is this boy doing? He's sitting on his sofa and he's watching the TV. What is he doing? He's sitting on the sofa and watching his TV, his favorite programs. Yeah. You also like watching your favorite programs, no? So which is your favorite program, children, which you like watching? So you all love to see your favorite programs. Very good. Can you see what this girl is doing? She's reading a book. What is she doing? She's reading a book. She's sitting in the living room and reading her favorite novel from the bookshelf. She's taken a book from her bookshelf and reading her favorite novel, sitting comfortably on her sofa. Even you like sitting comfortably in your living room and reading, drawing, playing. No? Our living room is the main room for us. We like enjoying as kids. So our living room is the main room for we children. So what can we see next? Bedroom. What is this? Bedroom. You can see a few things we do in our bedroom. What are they we do? Can you guess? What all we do in our bedroom? We sleep. What do? We sleep. We sleep on our beds. We sleep on our beds. Yes. We have a good night's sleep. No, children? We enjoy sleeping on the soft beds, soft pillows. We cover ourselves, put the AC on, put the fan on. No, we keep a dim light on and we enjoy sleeping during the night. Now what is this boy doing? This boy is... What is he doing? This boy is working on the computer. He's studying on the computer. Can you see? He's studying on the computer. Yes, the boy is studying on the computer. So we work with the computer. We do our computer science or we do some checking like going to Google, YouTube, seeing our favorite programs or any questions on Google. No? So the boy is working. Then next what is happening? Look at the picture. This is an activity. What is this? This is an activity. On page number 99, this is an activity. So what activity is this? The first activity is look at the pictures. Tick what you do in a living room. Look at the pictures. Tick what you do in a living room. What is second? Look at the pictures. Circle what you do in a bedroom. Look at the pictures. Circle what you do in a bedroom. So please do this activity in your textbooks, children. Now what picture can you see? Kitchen. What picture is this? picture of a kitchen. So what happens in the kitchen? What is this in the kitchen? We have the stove, no? We have the oven, microwave, we have the bread toaster, kettle. See, we have windows even in the kitchen to give us light and fresh air. We need a lot of fresh air. So what we put in these cupboards? Mummy puts all the spices, the rice, dal, all her cooking items will be in the cupboards. Apart from that, she'll have lot of vessels for her to use. So all these will be kept in the cupboard. Mummy will cook in the kitchen. Nice tasty food, no? Mummy will cook. See, Mummy is cooking food in the kitchen. What is Mummy doing? She's cooking food in the kitchen. Yeah, nice tasty food. Food which we like. Dal, lots of vegetables. Then we have lots of green leafy vegetables. No, so Mummy does a lot of her cooking in the kitchen. She makes morning milk or coffee, and daddy, and you have your milk, no? Yes. So Mummy cooks in the kitchen. Daddy also helps in cooking. Even we help our mummy in the kitchen, isn't it? Yes, children, you also should help your mummy in the kitchen. What you should do? You also should help your mummy in the kitchen. Will you help, children? Yeah, you should help. What is this, children? This is the bathroom. What is this? This is the bathroom. So what we do in our bathrooms? Morning when we get up, we go for potty. Yes, no? So we can see the western toilet there. What else we can see? A tub with water to have bath. No, we have a mirror to see our reflection, to see our image. We have cupboards to do our storage, to have all our storage. See, we have towels, we have buckets, we have soaps, we have toothpaste, we have toothbrush, shampoos, all will be in our bathroom. Yes, no, children? We have everything in our bathroom. Yeah. So what is this girl doing? She is brushing her teeth. What is this girl doing? She is brushing her teeth. Yeah. We also get up, no? We brush our teeth in the morning. Then only we won't have germs in our teeth. Our mouth will be fresh. We won't get any bad smell from our mouth. Correct? Yeah. Same way. Then what we do? We wash our face with soap. Then we take a bath. No, we take a bath. We go potty. What else we do? Do you all have a bath, children, every morning? Do you all have a bath? Do you brush your teeth? Do you wash your face? Yeah. In the morning when we get up, the important place we go to is our bathroom. So what is this boy doing? He's taking a bath. What is this boy doing? He's taking a bath. See how happy he is. He's feeling clean. That's why. Because he takes a bath. You also should have a bath every day. If you can even have twice a day a bath. It's very good to have a bath twice a day. And even you can brush your teeth morning and night, twice a day. Okay, children, will you start taking a bath morning and night? You'll feel fresh when you go to sleep. Nice hot water bath. And you should even brush your teeth so that you don't have germs. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the night time before going to sleep. So children, on page number 102, there's an activity which you have to do. What you have to do on page number 102, there's an activity. What is the activity? Look at the pictures, tick what you do in a bathroom. Look at the pictures, tick what you do in a bathroom. So you please look at both the pictures and check what you do in the bathroom. And the next one, look at the pictures, circle what you do in a kitchen. Look at the pictures, circle what you do in a kitchen. So these two activities on page number 99 and page number 102, you have to complete it, and you can send this book to me on Monday for correction. Okay children, thank you.